Alright, people. Check it out. We got two. Got two for y'all. Two Square Body Chevys, man. That one you just see was an 85, I think I saw it. Come back to it in a minute. And here we got the remains of a 75. At least that's what I think it is. Somebody busted up or finished busting up the well, actually, I think it was already broken, as you can see. It was all being held. Get a little jigsaw puzzle. Bet she looked good with that blue and white, man. Yeah. Look at that. Was this here? No way. This is just on, well, you never know. Yeah, 75. Oh, got them tips, baby. That tailgate's obviously seen way better days. Out of rust. Oof. Yeah, I can sit down here in South Dallas, pick a pool. Still nice. Man, this thing smells like piss, man. Jeez. Spid. Well, the gauge is still there. There's the I caught the bezel. Tilt. Yeah, not much else left in here. Headliner's not ripped, it's sagging, but it ain't ripped. Door actually closed decent. Side here. No. 11 of 74. Let's get that van. Oh man, that van's. Oh wait, that van was on the other side. Wasn't that damn thing? I don't think y'all can see that van, can you? Right there. Let me grab this again. Probably easier to see here. Maybe not. Anyways, underneath. Oh, crap. Oh man, I was gonna. Dang, somebody's over there looking at that one. Crap. Sucks for me. Crap, this thing is freaking heavy. Sorry about that. But, they swapped an engine. You can tell it's got the center bolt valve covers. So but set this back down. There she is, man. Let's go look at that other one. This guy's he's gonna be like, what the hell is this guy doing with a video camera? All right, here we go. Checking out that engine?
Yeah, I'd like somebody that started on and didn't finish.
Oh man, I think it looks like they. I took this off. Yeah, right here. See that? That it says void if that's pulled off. So it might have been a like like a reman one. You know, it's got chrome oil pan, timing chain cover. I don't know if you can see down there the flywheels. Yeah. I was thinking, like I said, it's probably a reman.
Somebody was trying to do something. I don't know what else.
Yeah, another project that never made it. Sure. Yeah. Well, now you saw the engine. Yeah. Obviously, they took a lot out of this one right here. Man, it's like a new, yeah, I think that looks new, right? Assembled in the USA. What does that mean, actually? This is made in the USA, and this is assembled. What's the deal here, man? Huh? Google, man, you should be able to tell me what the deal is with that. Oh, here's the... Oh, no, it's got the what do you call it, the clock there. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Just seen that. What's that? Look at that. It's broken, but what? Ooh, check that out, man. I know my brother, he snapped these for you. You can get them replaced. That says snap on T40. Yeah. Heck yeah. Ain't another one, is there? Oh man. Looked out today, man. I looked out. Anything else down here? Well, you know, maybe I might get more lucky. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think I see anything else. If I do, I'll cut y'all back on. But, oh crap, you don't want to go forward. Anyways. Yeah, I always beat them up on this. That's forklift does that. Man, it says 83. I thought it was 85. Maybe I'm wrong. Where she gets sold new. Oh, this tailgate's in nice shape, man. That's a nice tailgate right there. Look at that. I don't know these that well. Do they can this interchange? Would this interchange no problem into the earlier ones in the 70s? Yeah, that's a good tailgate right there. Heck yeah. Wish I had the spit on it. No dice, no. Sometimes they throw it back here. Sometimes. See them throw the glove box back here. Got stuck. I wonder if they put this back because they planned on taking it. Down here. Oh, let me get that VIN real quick. Oh man, these hinges are nice too. Look at that. Heck yeah. But y'all saw this, right? Yeah, like I was telling dude. It's like still here says void guarantee if removed. It was on the freeze plug. There's another one on that freeze plug there too. See the oil pan and the flex plate there. Oh, it's gonna rain. Dang, can y'all see that? Is that I don't know if y'all can see that. Maybe you can see it better now, right? Yeah. Well, alright, man. That's gonna do her. Got this one and the other one. Oh yeah. Real quick. Looked a little more into that seat. Found $1. And another snap-on, but this one is in pretty. I mean, you got, I'm not sure what it was, I'll look up the number on it, but another snap-on. It got snapped off. Alright, man.